Ever thought about the right way to clean your car without damaging the paint? Well, consider this your lucky day. Today, we're diving into the art and science of proper car cleaning. You see, cleaning your car isn't just about making it shine like a diamond in a goat's backside. It goes beyond that. It's about preserving its value, maintaining its aesthetic appeal, and let's face it, who doesn't enjoy that new car smell? But before you grab that old dish sponge and the nearest bottle of dish soap, let's talk about potential damages. Improper cleaning methods can harm your car more than you might think. Using the wrong tools or harsh chemicals can scratch the paint, dull the finish, or even cause corrosion over time. We're talking about tiny abrasions that can turn into big problems, like inviting a vampire into your house. There's no going back. Now imagine the opposite. Imagine cleaning your car the right way, with the right tools, and the right products. You're not just removing dirt and grime, you're also protecting the paintwork, enhancing the color, and preventing premature aging. It's like giving your car its very own spa day. And it's not just about the body of the car, those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies, the glass and mirrors, the rims and tires, all these have their own cleaning needs. And let's not forget about the interiors, the plastic pieces that also need some tender, loving care. So why is proper car cleaning so important? Well, it's simple. It extends the lifespan of your car, maintains its value, and keeps it looking brand new. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying. There's nothing quite like the feeling of driving a clean, well-maintained car. It's like wearing a perfectly tailored suit or a pair of brand new shoes. It just feels right. So, ready to learn the art of car cleaning? Let's buckle up. Scene script. First things first, we need the right tools and materials. In the realm of car cleaning, your tools are your trusted allies, ensuring you achieve that showroom shine without damaging your beloved ride. So what's in our cleaning arsenal? Let's dive in. Starting with brushes, we have a variety of types, each with a specific mission. A soft bristle brush is perfect for the body of the car, gentle enough not to scratch the paint yet effective in lifting dirt. For those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies, a detail brush is your best friend. And let's not forget our wheel brush, specifically designed to navigate the intricate designs of rims. Moving on to the soaps and shampoos, these aren't your everyday dish soaps. Car shampoos are formulated to be gentle on your paint while effectively breaking down grime. Some even add a protective layer to your car's paint, giving it that extra bit of TLC. Next up, we have our cleaning chemicals. These are not as scary as they sound. We have glass cleaners for those crystal clear windows and mirrors, tire and rim cleaners for shiny wheels, and plastic restorers to bring back the life in your faded trim. Remember, each chemical has a specific purpose and should be used as directed. Our cleaning mitts and microfiber cloths are the unsung heroes of the process. These are what we use to apply our soaps and remove dirt without scratching our precious paint. The rule of thumb here is to have plenty on hand, as reusing a dirty cloth can inadvertently scratch your car's surface. Lastly, we have our buckets. Yes, you heard it right, buckets, plural. We recommend at least two, one for your soap solution and the other for rinsing your mitt or cloth. This two-bucket method helps to keep the dirt out of your soap solution, reducing the risk of scratching your car. Now that we've got our cleaning arsenal ready, let's move on to the cleaning process. Time to get our hands dirty, quite literally. We're diving right into the cleaning process, breaking it down into manageable steps to ensure every inch of your car gleams with pride. First off, let's tackle the paint. Always start from the top and work your way down to avoid dragging dirt and grime onto clean areas. Use a microfiber mitt soaked in a solution of car wash soap and water, and gently scrub in straight lines, not in circles. This prevents swirl marks, which can be a real eyesore on a sunny day. Next up, the plastic pieces. These can often be overlooked, but they need some love too. Use a soft bristle brush and a mild all-purpose cleaner to scrub away dirt. Be careful not to scrub too hard, as you don't want to scratch the surface. Now, onto the glass and mirrors. A high-quality glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth will do the trick here. Spray the cleaner onto the cloth, not directly onto the glass, to prevent streaking. Wipe in an up and down motion, then side to side for a streak-free shine. The rims and tires are up next. Get your hands on a non-acidic wheel cleaner and a stiff bristle brush. Spray the cleaner onto the wheels and let it sit for a minute to break down the brake dust and grime. Then scrub away. For the tires, use a tire brush and a tire cleaner to remove road grime and old tire dressing. And lastly, the most important part of the cleaning process, rinsing. Use a gentle stream of water from your hose, starting from the top and working your way down, just like when you were washing. This ensures all soap and cleaners are thoroughly rinsed off, leaving your car spotless and ready to shine. Great job, but we're not done yet. Next up, drying. Believe it or not, drying your car is just as important as cleaning it. Now that we've washed off all the dirt and grime, it's time to dry. You might think, why should I bother? It'll dry on its own. But let me tell you, air drying can leave water spots that can damage your car's paint job. The correct way to dry your car is to use a microfiber drying towel. These towels are super absorbent and soft, which means they won't scratch your car. Start from the top and work your way down, making sure to pat dry rather than rub. Why pat dry? Because rubbing can grind any leftover dust or dirt into the paint, causing scratches. Pat drying lifts and absorbs the water along with any residual dirt. And voila, your car is not just clean but also dry and shiny, maintaining its pristine appearance. Our car is clean and dry, but wait, there's more. Keeping your car clean doesn't end with drying. Let's talk aftercare. After the painstaking process of washing, scrubbing, and drying your car, it's essential to keep up with regular maintenance to ensure your hard work doesn't go to waste. Let's start with the exterior. Applying a quality wax or sealant not only gives your car a glossy sheen, but also acts as a protective barrier against dirt, dust, and harmful UV rays. Ideally, you should wax your car every 3 to 4 months. Moving on to the interior, we have a few golden rules. First, avoid eating in the car. Those stray French fries and cookie crumbs can attract a whole host of unwelcome guests. I'm talking ants, roaches, and let's not even get started on the smell. Yikes. Second, consider investing in some quality car mats. These handy little inventions can save your carpets from a world of hurt, catching dirt, mud, and spills before they become a problem. Just give them a good shakeout every now and then and you're golden. Next, let's talk windows. Keep a microfiber cloth in your glove compartment. Use it to wipe down your windows and mirrors whenever they start to look a little grimy. This simple habit can do wonders for your visibility, especially when driving at night or in adverse weather. Now, onto the tires and rims. Regular cleaning can prevent buildup of brake dust, which, if left unchecked, can lead to corrosion. Use a tire shine product to give your tires that just washed look and protect them from cracking and fading. Lastly, make it a habit to empty your trash every time you leave the car. It's a small step, but trust me, it makes a big difference. Remember, the key to a clean car isn't just the cleaning process itself, but the aftercare and maintenance. By following these simple steps, you can extend the life of your car's surfaces and keep it looking sharp for years to come. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to cleaning your car like a pro. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over what we've learned today. Proper car cleaning is a delicate balance of the right tools, materials, and techniques. We've learned that using gentle, car-friendly brushes and soft cloths is key to preventing scratches. Choosing the correct soaps and chemicals is also critical to avoid damaging your car's paint job. Remember, the cleaning process isn't complete without giving special attention to the rims, tires, glass, mirrors, and plastic pieces. And let's not forget about the drying process. Using a microfiber towel can efficiently soak up water without leaving streaks. Aftercare is just as important as the clean itself. Regular maintenance will keep your vehicle looking fresh and prolong its lifespan. So, there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to keep your ride sparkling clean. Remember, a clean car isn't just about looks, it's about maintenance and longevity. Happy cleaning!